Nowadays, the most common thing we hear from everybody is about anger, depression, or stress. What happens is when we are in any of these kind of moods, our prana or our spirit, soul gets very weak. We need to energize it to come and fight this anger, depression, or stress. The remedy goes into just exactly three words: be honest, be gentle, and be kind. Honest comes when we need to be more truthful, not only in talking, but in our gestures and what we are trying to show or what we are trying to portray. Same way, being gentle is like being kind. Kind means like we need to take care of things around us and be gratitude in giving. That means we need to be very, very thankful and try to learn that how to say thanks for everything which we are getting around us. Try to follow these three things: honest, kind, and gratitude. And see how fast all these emotions will wipe out or go away from you.